Here it is. Here it is. The moment you all been waiting for. The second Jordan. Here it comes, Dustin. It's on the way. Larry Legend. Look at that son of a gun right there. Wow. Exquisite 11-12. Good luck. Cross your finger, hold your winner. Real tight. Exquisite collection. First box had LeBron / MJ dual auto number to 5. Yeah. Yep. Not making it up. Go back and watch. It was awesome. Here we go. I hope we pull something like that again. Or just one of the two dudes. Or maybe something completely different I've never seen before. Oh, looky. At least, Dustin, at least. If we don't get the autograph, Dustin, at least, we got the base to 99, Michael Jordan. At least. Plus 2, Rip Hamilton jersey. Do I ship that? Hell yeah, I ship. They'd be talking about, do I ship that? Unless you want to sell it to me. I got another one out of this set. I bought off a kid card when we pulled it for him. It was a different picture. I wonder how many different regular base cards he has in this. Or I'd have to I have to look at it again. No shadow box. It's been a long time, seriously, since I opened a box of this stuff and did not get a shadow box auto. Like 3 cases worth, and this is the first time we haven't hit a shadow box. You shit that. That is 63 of 99. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No shadow box, kind of strange. Here we go. Let's see what we get. First one. Guy's got hair. Probably not MJ. Got some hair. McAdoo. That's Bob McAdoo, right? Oh, it's another base. What the hell? Oh, it's 2 base. There's only 4 hits. There's only 4 cards after the second base. What does that mean? Bob McAdoo, number to 99. We got a rookie. Norris Cole. Miami Heat, right? Norris Cole to 199. Then we got another rookie. Nolan Smith for the Blazers to 199. 2 rookies. What the hell is going on here? What is going on here? What is this? Oh! Did we just get a second Michael Jordan autograph? Is that what just happened, Dustin? Did we just get another Michael Jordan? Bling, bling. Oh, it's the bling, the 99, 44, 99. Michael Jordan. Wow. Congratulations, Dr. Jung. The first box had MJ LeBron dual auto. Woo! No way. Oh my god, again, dude! 2 in the same box! Look at it! I quit. That's it. Done. Should never do another group break again. Done. See ya. Peace. Game over. I quit. That's it. I quit.